Before I perform the teardown, here are some few clips of cleaning the whole engine. I use a used diesel in cleaning the engine. The dirt and grease are hard to remove, but it's alright because these will be cleaned again. I temporarily clean it so that it would be easier to disassemble the engine. After dismantling the whole engine and other parts which were shown in the previous video, the real cleaning starts now. I'm going to degrease all of the metal parts. This is only a used diesel. You can also use gasoline, degreaser, and other cleaning products. Use a brush to thoroughly clean each parts. Use a toothbrush for the cylinder walls. Always remember to remove any removable parts so that you can thoroughly clean everything. Remove all gaskets. I tried using plastic scraper, but it won't work effectively. So I use a metal scraper this time. Just be careful not to damage the metal part when you're using a metal scraper. Nylon brush or paintbrush is good to use for this kind of job because it can reach every spaces and tight areas. These valve springs are easy to remove. You just have to push the spring retainer with your finger and move it to unlock and separate it from the spring and valve. The stem of the valve is pretty rusty. Do the same thing on the other side. Then, clean it thoroughly. The generator head is quite dirty due to flood. It also has rust buildup inside, so this could be hard to dismantle. There is one remaining part that I haven't removed earlier, and this is the carbon brush holder. It is only held by one screw. Next, I put a cardboard underneath, and some chunks of wood against the housing. To be honest, I'm not that sure how this thing would be separated. I tried tapping it, but nothing seems to happen, until the middle part of the generator starts to fall off. I tried prying it, and even spray some penetrating fluid on the rusty armature, and there it separates. This black metal bracket is for the muffler. Loosen the two 10mm bolts to remove it. I will clean these parts with water first. Don't use high pressure on the coils. Here I'm gently brushing the coils. This time, I will clean it with soapy water. This is the engine block, and I will clean it to remove some of the leftover oil and grease. The cylinder walls has some damage and rust. I will try to hone it later and see if that will fix the problem. And here are the other parts, which are stripped down for cleaning. I used a steel brush to remove some loose rust. Then I clean it with an electrical cleaner. Electrical sockets are also cleaned. This wire has a positive sign, and it is connected here. This carbon brush holder has a sign on it, so you don't interchange those wires. fit in the negative and positive wires. This cooling fan has 4 pins. Slowly push it and it will lock right away. So there you have it. Cleaning of parts has been done properly. Thank you very much for watching and God bless.